how to calculate sum of digit. There is a difference between sum up to digit and sum of digit. I have already uploaded a video to know how to get sum up to digit. For example, user enters a number 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is sum up to digit. But in case if user enters 1, 2, 3, the addition of digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, is sum of digit. Now I am going to show you how to create a program to add sum of digit. So let's start. So I have to declare a variable, that is a num, and I want to ask user to enter the number. So I am going to say printf and a message, that is enter a number. When user is going to enter a number, I am going to read the number with the help of scanf, and I am going to store the value, format specifier %d, into the num. So I am going to store the value into the num, %d, address of num. User enters a number, that is 1, 2, 3, for example. Now I want to separate each digit from the number. How can I do that? I can divide the number with the help of 10 and I can get the remainder, and the remainder I have to add into the variable sum. Each time I get the remainder, I have to add that remainder into the sum, but I want each time a separate digit. So first time I need 3, then 2, and then 1. So in that case you have to divide the number by 10. So let me show you. First thing is you have to use a loop, a while loop. Here I am going to check number greater than 0. So why to do this? Because if user is going to divide the number, each time the value is going to reduce, and if it is becomes less than 0, then I have to stop. So this is the terminating condition for the loop. So first thing is I need a remainder. So I am going to say remainder equal to num mod 10. So this statement will give me the remainder of the user entered number, the first remainder. So if user enters 1, 2, 3, 3 will be the remainder. I have to declare a variable, that is remainder. I need a sum also, so equal to 0. Yeah. Now I have a remainder. This statement will give me the first digit. Then I have to add that digit into the sum, equal to remainder. So now the first remainder I have added into the sum. Now I don't want the same remainder again, so I am going to divide num by 10. So in case, like for example, user enters 1, 2, 3, 3 is the first remainder, then I don't want 3 again, so I will divide 1, 2, 3 by 10, I will get 12. So in 12 again I can get the remainder, that is 2. Again I am going to add that 2 into the sum. Now again I am going to divide the number by 10, so I will get 1. Again I am going to get the remainder of 1, and again I am going to add that. In this way I can get the values. So here, right, so I can print a message, that is sum of digit equal to %d, comma sum. Yes, so let's just build the project. Go to project, build all. As you can see here, 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now go to file, right click, run as local C++ application, of course, okay. Enter a number. If I am going to enter 1, 2, 3, I will get the sum of digit, that is 6. Thank you for watching this video.